everyone! Chris Alonzo here and welcome back to my channel. Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel na to, click the subscribe button and notification bell para like kang updated. And for today's video, we're on our way to Midori. Nakita niyo si Madam. Si Boss Madam, ang taga-bayad natin. Woo! Taga-bayad! Mag-ano kami? Only lobster. Kasi tuwing Friday and Saturday lang siya. At may oras lang siya. Ang first batch is 5:30. Ang second batch is 8 o'clock. So, sa 8 o'clock kami. It's already 6:13. So, ayan. Let's go! Hi! Hi, vlog! We're here at Midori!
Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know.
Ma'am, are you ready?
Oras may flight natin. Alam ko, airport na yun.
How to close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories, but I don't even.
So, time check tayo, 7:54. 7:54 and nakapila na ang mga people. Ito na po ang mga allergic sa hipon. So, oo, allergic pero walang makakapigil. So, magda-Darna na sila. Oo.
Allergic pero wala akong papapigil.
Oo, tama. Oo, Darna.
Mag-eat all you can lobster pero allergy silang lahat.
What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Mamu, kaya wala nang sipit yung nando doon. Andyan na pala yung sipit niya. Walang po kayo. Happy ka, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So, eto, para tayong kumukuha ng pipila tayo sa ayuda. Eto ang tagakuha ni Mami Don dahil si Mami Don ay nagbabantay bata.
Meanwhile,
Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep
Yummy.
talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase?
Wow! Bye-bye!
People I can't save.
Ayun eh. May ano ka na, sipit. Namamalipit. Ba't walang name? What's the name of that?
Pastel Binata.
Anong ano nun?
Portuguese.
Portuguese? It's true!
Facts.
Oo nga!
It's true.
So anong ano nun? English?
Egg tart.
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes.
So meron pa pala dito sa labas. Ito makikita si kuya maghiwa ng back.
You when a million things are running through. Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase?
Parang natakap na ako sa scallops. Kumukulo-kulo yung cheese niya. Mukhang may makakarami dito, nakatayo eh. Pag nakatayo daw, mabilis bumaba. Aba, ang dami mong food na, Marikita.
Ito lang ang naglibang sa kanya.
Ako si Paulo.
Ano pa? Naghahanap ng rice.
Wala kang...
Mami na.
So, sa lobster, ano yung kinakain dito? Ito, yung laman.
Dragon rice.
So, kunwari malaki lang siya, pero yun lang din naman, no?
Subukan yung bala.
Tingin-tingin kami ng rice, wala pa ng rice. Hindi hingi yung rice. Hindi hingi. Uy, di ako marunong kumain ng... Ayan eh.
Ayan.
Ito siya. Sauce.
Ayan. Okay. Wow.
Alright.
Ganun? Ganun talaga siya? Hindi. Oo, ganun siya. Parang hindi yung hipon. Parang ganun.
Harap. Mamaya kati.
Ang sarap. Tikman na lang natin itong isa pang lobster. Baka hindi na siya ganun kasi pinagprito-prito siyang, pinagganon-ganon siya ng ano, sa wok. Ito yung ganon-ganon sa wok kanina. Sabi sa'yo yung busy siya. With the chicken. Oo, lobster is not for me, guys. I tried.
But it's for me.
Ay, balikan natin yung in-order kong ano, scallops. Baka that's for me.
Ihaw na lobster. Pampano.
Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it.
Yung hinahanap naming lechon, ayun lang.
Regret. Every night I close my eyes.
Nakuha ko ng plato si Mamulat. Sila may plato, kami wala. Nanood lang. Tama nanood lang?
When a million things are running through, million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things?
Grabe, gutom yung bata na pulot natin sa daan. Sige bata, kumain ka lang. Ano ba yung kinakamay mo bata? Ice cream po.
1% battery.
Soap, yes, soap.
Ano na lang sa'yo? 5% battery. 5% battery na lang siya.
It's 9:45 and humuhuling hirit, halo-halo, with langka and ube.
Sarap.
At ang anak ko nakikipagsabayan, hindi pa rin siya tapos kumain ng candy. Kamusta? Lobat na siya. Mag-hibernate na siya mamaya. Kung gusto mo magpa-picture kay Marikit ganyan, nabulin mo muna siya.
Marikit ko, ano ko? Ganda siya pa.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cheese!
Ano sa papa?
Ganda! Ganda ng tama mo! And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to hit like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you in my next vlog. Bye!
Sakit sa tiyan.
Ang sakit sa tiyan.
That's all I got.